Ever spent ages crafting the perfect Instagram reel, only to lose it in the digital abyss? Don't panic, those drafts are hiding in plain sight. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find them. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. This is the same button you use to create a new post, story, reel, or live video. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a few options. Swipe left until you see the reel option and tap on it. This will open the reel creation interface. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Drafts. Tap on it. Voila! This will open your Drafts folder, where all your saved reels are waiting for you. You'll see a preview of each reel. To continue editing a reel, simply tap on it. This will open it up in the Reel Editor, where you can add more clips, text, music, or effects. Make your desired edits, and when you're ready, tap Next in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the Share screen, where you can add a caption, hashtags, tag people, and choose your cover photo. Once you're happy with everything, just tap Share at the bottom, and your reel will be published. And that's all there is to it. Now you can easily find and continue working on your Instagram reel drafts. Keep creating awesome content.